The reason I stopped eating chicken is not what you think. I stopped eating chicken before I was vegan. It wasn't the spoiled chicken salad that I ate at a restaurant that made me projectile vomit onto my bedroom wall in the middle of the night. It wasn't knowing that most chicken is contaminated with salmonella. It was the taste and texture of chicken breast. No matter how much I baked, sauteed, or broiled it, or how thin I sliced it, it tasted bland and rubbery. It grossed me out, and I usually ended up throwing most of it away. The only chicken I liked was fried, battered chicken, or fatty grilled chicken thighs, or red hot chicken wings and drumsticks. But even I knew that the chicken parts that tasted good were the ones that contained the most fat and most calories and didn't align with my physique or health goals. So I stopped eating chicken altogether. It wasn't until later did I learn that with genetic manipulation, probiotics, antibiotics, crowding, restrictive movement, and caffeine feeding, chicken today contain over 70% fat, which is why eating chicken is making us fatter than the past. This also explains why eating chicken instead of meat doesn't lower cholesterol much, if at all, and why eating chicken increases insulin resistance. I always wondered why bodybuilders stopped eating chicken breast several weeks before a competition. They didn't stop eating it because they hated it. They did. The bodybuilders quit eating chicken because chicken is high in salt, and salt makes bodybuilders hold fluid, making them look puffy and bloated. Salt is added as a preservative to chicken because it adds weight, so they can sell it for more. And salt makes chicken taste better. A single chicken breast can contain 840 milligrams of salt. Chicken is salty, and most store bought chickens are overweight and sick. A guy bought a whole raw chicken from the grocery store, and as he cut into it, he found a tumor. Farmed animals are not healthy, they are unwell, and some have cancerous tumors. It's no wonder, with the rise of chicken consumption, that cancer is on the rise. I didn't know that animal fat turns rancid once an animal is killed, and when it enters your stomach, free radicals are formed which damages human DNA, my DNA, and your DNA. Chicken is not meant for human consumption. I haven't eaten it in about 6 years. I don't want to eat it. I think it's disgusting. There are thousands of delicious recipes that don't contain animal fluids, animal muscle, or meat that are scrumptious. They're healthy. They're good for us. Have you noticed that more people are avoiding meat and dairy and are questioning that? If there are no vegan meal options at restaurants near you, demand it. So, join the plant-based vegan revolution. Go vegan! Any person can change their health trajectory, and you can contact me if you want my help. I can analyze your diet and let you know how to optimize it. Go to my website, thehighfivediet.com. Scroll down to schedule appointment and choose the 1-hour diet and nutrition analysis, where I will spend 1 hour with you via Zoom, FaceTime, or on the phone. Your choice. I have other services, including one-on-one fitness training sessions that you can add on if you're interested. Helping people improve their health, sharing my delicious recipes with lots of yummy carbs gives me a high like no drug can. which is why I do it. Change is not as easy as pie, but it's worth it because pain, disease, and drugs are much worse than avoiding apple pie. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.